Hey everybody, this is Brandon at Sparksmith, helping you see and be seen, here with my old man glasses on, because I wanted to talk to you about something. Something that I've decided to focus on for 2026 is what value does Sparksmith bring to the table? We had a question recently on YouTube, completely valid question about our tow mirrors. The question was, I see that these look very similar to something on Amazon for a lot less money. Why would I pay more for these? Well, the answer is stuff like this here, this email thread with a gentleman. Now this, to be fair, wasn't tow mirrors, but it was a product that we brand as our own, and we stand behind it, and we're here to support it. This customer had a truck, another cat eye, with, he'd already put an LED bow tie in it. Unfortunately not from us, don't worry, I know you're going to ask the question. I don't know when those will be out, but it is on the list of things to do once we get these door handles done. Now that's as of mid-February 2026, so whenever you're watching this video, they might be out by now, I don't know. Anyways, sidetracked. So this guy emailed us and said, hey, I've got some headlights already that have running lights in them and turn signals. I have a bow tie. If I buy your grill bars, can we make all of this work together, and can you put a splitter in there that will run my bow tie and my headlights? So of course we said yes, yeah, we can modify or we can accommodate the current equipment that you have on the truck and tie this in and give you a custom one-off harness that fits your specific needs. Happy to do it. You know, I'm not even sure I really charged him extra for it. It's just, sometimes I just enjoy the challenge of stuff, which may be why I'm so broke. But I just enjoy this stuff. I really, really do. And the saga continued. Long story short, I know it's 2 minutes into the video and it's too late to say that, but I am my father's son. If you look at, this is the longest of the email threads, and I went through and counted. This particular chain is 32 emails back and forth, and then there's a total of 5 email threads. When you add them all up, it's like 46 emails and about 4 phone calls that we've been back and forth trying to figure out what's going on with this guy's grill bars, because they were flickering. The white running light would be on solid, everything else would be on solid, working exactly like it's supposed to, and all of a sudden a bar would just pop on and off, just randomly, very randomly. And so we went through all these troubleshooting steps. Like, I really don't think it's the bars, because there are other things that it could be, and we've seen other things where like an alternator starts to fail and puts some AC voltage into the line, and that can mess with them. If there's a little bit of corrosion on the ground wire somewhere and it's not getting a full 12 volts, that can cause an issue. Sometimes other components like these switchback headlights that he had, those can backfeed power from the running light circuit into the turn signal circuit, which will make the white animated 2.0 grill bars shut off and try to switch to amber mode. Even if it's just a brief millisecond pulse of voltage, it'll shut the white off and pop it back on. I've seen that happen. So we were going through all these steps, like trying to figure out, like, if it's a defective product, happy to replace it. But I don't want to waste your time saying, well, just throw parts at it and see what happens. No, I want to figure out the problem. And that's where, that's what I wanted to focus on with this video, was like the value add that Sparksmith brings to the table. So going back to the tow mirror thing, my response was, well, yes, you can get these things and they're very, very similar from Amazon. They will be cheaper. However, you have no idea who the seller is. You have no idea if they'll be there next month or next year. I, in fact, when I answered that question, had just had 2 customers request replacement components for their mirrors. One got damaged from road debris, and it was just one of the caps, and we were able to sell him just the cap for like 40-50 bucks rather than an entire new set of mirrors for several hundred, which is what any other seller would do, quite frankly. And had a similar situation with another one where something broke, or they were trying to get it painted or whatever, and a piece broke, and I was like, we can sell you just that piece. I don't know of any other companies out there that will sell you just pieces and parts to sets like these. In my experience, I've tried to do that even as a wholesale account, like, hey, can I get just this piece? And they're like, no, we're going to send you the entire thing. And it just seems wasteful to me. rather than just fix the problem, they just throw parts at it, and I'm not like that. And this is one of those cases too. So we got the tow mirror guy fixed. The comment on YouTube, and you're welcome to go look at my tow mirror video, it's out there on YouTube, and it's one of the comments in there of like, he was like, hey, you know, appreciate the response, and I'm pretty sure he ended up placing an order like in the next day or so. And back to this gentleman with the bow tie badge and the switchback headlights, and he wanted to integrate our grill bars into it. Well, after going back and forth, we're finally like, okay, we've tried everything. I even sent him a test harness. Again, there was no charge for any of this. For the time that I spent with the 30 some odd, 40 some odd emails, the phone calls, the test rig that I sent him, like sometimes it's worth the time and effort and money on my part to just satiate my curiosity, but also to provide the level of customer service that I would want for myself. So, you know, coming back to that value thing, like what do we add? Why do we charge what we charge? Well, because when you're here, when you come to Sparksmith, you're family. All right, I'm gonna take care of you, and I'm gonna be here long after these Amazon brands are gone. And so that's the buy-in for the Sparksmith brand, is you get this one-on-one support. If you call the phone number, you're gonna talk to either me or Emerson. You're gonna get one of the two of us. You might get voicemail, but we'll get back to you. So, you know, that's where I'm going with all this, is it's a very personal, curated experience. If you ever need any tech support, you're gonna get me or Emerson, one of the two, and you're gonna get a direct line with us to solve exactly your problem and address exactly the issues and concerns that you have for your specific setup. Because even in a niche as narrow as 03 to 07 Chevy Silverados, there can be a lot of different things happening. We're able to solve a lot of different problems. Some of them we've seen, some of them we haven't, but one way or another, we're gonna figure it out. And in this case, I ended up deciding we're gonna try one more set of bars and see if maybe those are defective. We're gonna get the old ones back and test them, see if we can really drill down and figure out what's going on. And to answer the question of what is in my hand, it is something else that I've done. Again, I'm not charging him for this. I just wanted to try it and see if it works. I have these DC to DC voltage regulators that I bought, and I added, it's hard to see, but there's a diode in there. So we got power coming in through a diode into the regulator, then the output. So it takes 10 to 15 volts in and converts it to a steady 12 volts out. Added a capacitor, a rather large capacitor, to make sure that if there's any gaps in voltage, it will fill it in with the capacitor. So we're going to filter out any kind of AC voltage or anything like that. Add a capacitor to steady out any kind of flickering that might happen through this. And this will be something that just plugs in line between our harness and the grill bars that we're also sending with this. Obviously this one's not complete. I have to pin it out, add some heat shrink, and make it look like a finished product, which I intend to do next. So we're sending this and a brand new set of bars to this guy that's had 40 some odd emails. And if this doesn't fix it, we're gonna keep digging down this path and we're gonna figure it out. You know, just because that's how I operate. That's my MO. That's what I want to do. That's what I want this business to be. That's what I want the brand to be, is something that you're like, okay, I bought from Sparksmith. I know he's got my back. I know that he's going to support me. If I've got a question, if I've got a problem, it doesn't matter if you bought something that's 20 bucks or something that's several $100s. I don't care. If you're a customer of mine, you're a customer of mine. I'm going to treat you like family. So that's the Sparksmith value add 9-minute spiel for today. I'll be back with some more. Like I said, we're picking up live streams and stuff. I hope you guys tune in and enjoy them. I hope they're useful. But for now, I'm going to take care of this gentleman, and we're going to get his grill bars working with the stuff that he has existing on the truck. One way or another, we're going to figure it out. So thank you for watching. Seriously, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Y'all stay good out there, and we'll see you on the next one.